Alright guys, so welcome to today's video tutorial. Actually, it's not a tutorial. I want to review a very interesting course you need to pick up right now. It's a training you need to pick up. It's something that is new. It's new, brand new, and it's hot. I mean hot and fresh, and you can make a lot of money with it every single week. Yes, you can make money with it every single week. So it's actually about, from the title already, it's about buying and reselling land space. Yes. Now, just like people buy land and then they sell land, they buy property, acquire property. The same thing now. It's possible now online. Yes, there's a virtual market, a virtual space that you can. There's an app that you can start selling properties there right now. Now, what I'm trying to say is, for instance, right now the whole world now, the whole land space and the whole world now, so there's kind of a virtual replicate of that. So you can go to any country, anywhere. It's not physical traveling now. You can just log into this portal and then you buy specific spots on this any location, any choice you want, any location. Then you buy your own spots, and then it begins to increase in value instantly. And the thing is, it's actually cheap. About, I think, sometimes 30 cents, $1, $2. It depends on the location you are buying this land. Yes, you are buying this piece of land. So, and the thing is, they have a specific, just like an acre will cost so amount, and then 2 acres, like that. So the same way in this case is they call it tiles. So to be in form of tiles, so you can buy as many tiles as you want. So this is a business that anyone can do. So I'm just going to walk you through how this guy has been, my friend Alessandro Zamboni has been making profits with this. So you can see it says it's actually like a game, but then it's very interesting because we're making a lot of money doing this. So it says you're going to buy tiles, exactly in the spots where you want to make your purchase. Anywhere that you want to buy land, you can buy it, and then it could even be your house, a place you love, cities that you think about or you think is okay. So you can just buy like an acre, a portion, or a city in a specific strategic location. So you can buy them, and once you buy them, in about 2-3 days, the money begins to increase. In fact, the real money now, because you use real money to buy it, about 30 cents, $1, and then it begins to increase in value, and you can even withdraw. You can withdraw your earnings, straight to your PayPal, to your TransferWise account. So let me just show you. So this is exactly what it looks like. So you can see a lot of people are jumping onto this system right now. It's still new, but a lot of people are jumping already. So you can see some people have bought all these places in US. You can see different places have been acquired and purchased already. So you can see, let me show you. You can see someone purchased all this. Like I see, someone purchased this, and that's tiles being purchased right here. You can see. So all these are money being purchased, and once you want to sell them, you can sell them and get huge profits on them. You can see. So here is Alessandro's places, countries that actually purchased tiles. He has purchased land, virtual land online. So you can see he purchased 16 tiles, let's say like 2 acres in a Vilinus, and then you can see for $5.73, and then it's currently up to $6. You can see the increase, 19.55% increase. So the guy is making a lot of profit. I think in total he has made about $500 in pure profit doing this. Let me see. I want to check up on something. So you can see here. So you can see this other one again. So you can see he purchased at less than 3 cents. You can see. I can see the balance right now, 1.141. Okay, so these are current, I think these are buyers. I don't understand. Let me see. Okay, yeah, these are lands being purchased. I can see the value already gained, $100 plus, and on and on and on. So this is something that you can do. It's very easy. You just need about less than $1 to invest, and then you can reap rewards and earn as much as $100, $200 over and again. And you can actually purchase. You can see the spaces are huge, very wide, and you can begin to buy. If it's just 2 slots, 2 pieces of land, 2 tiles, 3 tiles, 4 tiles, and then you just keep it, and then for maybe a week, 2 weeks, you'd have made huge profit, and then you can decide to sell it off, or you just rent it off, or anything. Just the normal regular way people do business with properties offline. The same way you can do with this course. So inside this course, you're going to learn how to actually get started on this platform, what S2 is and who created it, and then how to register and activate your profile. I'm currently going on. You can see I'm currently I'm done with the first one. I'm almost done with the second one, and it's really, I can't even wait to start. I've known where and where to invest, where to buy buy my own portion of land. You can see someone bought all this, someone else bought all this, someone bought all this. So if this is empty, you can see all this area now is empty, but someone has purchased all this, someone has purchased, and this is real money. A lot of people don't know about this. A lot of people don't know about this. So if you get in now, and the course is very in-depth, it's very explanatory, it's not long, straight to the point, and then you just, in fact, you can, if you have $5, you can make a lot of money. I'm going to start this. Once I'm done with this review, I'll buy some my own portion of land in strategic places, as Alessandro has reviewed inside this course. So you're going to find this is where you can actually go and buy tiles that will reap your rewards quickly, and then the mistakes you're going to avoid, and then you also discover his own property, exactly where Alessandro has invested in, invested to buy land, to buy tiles for his own property. And then you also be shown how to collect your payments, how to request payments, you can see, and then you get extra stuff that you can clone, how you can actually clone the strategy. People are getting results on the platform, how you can clone their own results and make money. So you can go check under the link under this video. There's a link under this video. Click on the link to bring you to this page, on this sales page, so you can just pick up the course, pick it up, watch the training. So you're going to learn how to buy and sell land, virtual land. You buy and then you sell them. You're going to sell them, and then you'll be shown 5 places where you can leave your affiliate code to even make more money. You can refer people to this platform and then even earn more money. And the money you earn, you can also use it to buy more and more tiles, more land spaces in this this wonderful platform. So again, it's also including bonus for you. You can see. So this bonus is an incredible map that has all the big city projects, so you can purchase tiles in the ones you prefer. So you don't need to waste time. You don't need to spend a lot of time looking for what to do or guessing anything. You just use this bonus city map, and then you just put in if it's $1 or 30 cents, 50 cents, $2, and then the reward will pay later. It's going to pay later. It's something that's just like Bitcoin. When Bitcoin started years ago, and a lot of people do not know the value in it. But then this one is even much more special than Bitcoin, because the rewards is fast, very fast. Like a week, 2 weeks, you can just it's property. So property always increase, but this time this is virtual, so it's increasing very fast. So you're also going to get list of places where you can actually go, and then even get better ideas and connect with people who are actually rocking this new business store. So the price is just $17. Just go ahead and you can pay with your card, or you can make payment to PayPal. So once you make your payment, you get access to the members area right there. So you can see and you can watch everything and begin to take action. You just need to spend about $1, $2, $3. You don't even need to spend up to $3. No, you don't need to. So you just acquire land in specific places. You can buy in in US, in the UK, America, anywhere. This one, no one is going to limit you, and you don't need to travel. Just invest a dollar or cents, few cents, and then you'll be surprised the kind of rewards, the amount of money you're going to start getting. So click on the link under this video, and then it's going to bring you right here on this page. Yes, on this page right here, and then it's going to be you really understand how you can make money just buying virtual lands, and then it becomes your own. You can keep it for a long time, and then you can buy it now for just $1, and you might be surprised after 1 year or after 6 months it might cost over $500. Yes, look at this. Look at withdrawal here. $300 being withdrawn already. It's $2 withdrawn here, and this is land. It's increasing, and you're not trading just within your locality. You are trading against the world. So people are going to come. They're going to invest. They want to buy as well. If they see, wow, this guy has bought this place, they may want to buy it from you at your own price. So you can see Alessandro has made over $524 in pure profits in just days. Guys. So this is something you need to think about. Do it. Pick it up. It's just pick up is just $17. So you get access, And after that $17, you just need to spend about $1, $2, or a few cents, and then you begin to be in profit. Doing this as a business, you're going to love it because it's very, very interesting. So go ahead and click on the link under this video, and then go pick up this Earth Domination Empire from my very good friend Alessandro Zamboni. So thank you very much. If you have any question, yes, you can reach out to me on Facebook. I'm going to drop a link. You'll find a link to my Facebook profile under this video. Click on the link and then reach out to me on Facebook, and let's connect. So thank you for watching this video. I'm going to talk to you guys soon. I'm going to come up with another video very soon. So if you have any question, get in touch. But make sure you pick up this wonderful, amazing new way to make money online. Just buying and selling virtual lands, and you can make a profit, which 100 times profit in days, in just days. So it's something you want to get involved and want to do, and then make money online. So thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So thank you, and